Procedure to update non-Malaysian citizen or foreigner EPF 2% contribution. In this video, we will go through the steps on how to create the new non-Malaysian citizen or foreigner EPF 2% contribution table and update the EPF group for non-Malaysian citizen or foreigner in employee master. Before that, user must update the QPAY system to the latest version or any version after 25th August 2025 release date before following the steps in this video. User must complete September payroll and before starting October payroll to proceed. First, user have to log into the system. User may check the release date from the login menu and log into the current year database. User must log the payroll record from January to September before continue to the next step. To log the payroll, go to System Security, Supervisor Setup, tick to log from January until September, and click OK to proceed. Next, go to System Setup, EPF table. At the top left hand side, click the EPF table button again and search for the next available blank EPF group and set the title accordingly. For the employer contribution setting, set the first row wages to 99999. Then set the outside bracket rounding to R3 and set the inner bracket rounding next to value 1 to R8. In the yellow color percentage box, set the percentage to 2%. For the second to fourth row, please remove the wages, rounding, and percentage, if any, as shown accordingly. For the employee contribution settings, set the first row wages to 99999. Then set the outside bracket rounding to R3 and set the inner bracket rounding next to value 1 to R8. In the yellow color percentage box, set the percentage to 2%. For the second to fourth row, please remove the wages, rounding, and percentage, if any, as shown accordingly. The rest of the setting for the range and value 1 remain unchanged as EPF wages. Click OK to save. Next step is to update the EPF group for each non-Malaysian citizen or foreigner in Employee Master. Go to Employee Master. Search for the non-Malaysian citizen or foreigner staff. Go to the top to Salary Setup and update the EPF group accordingly. Click the OK button to save. Procedure of non-Malaysian citizen or foreigner EPF 2% table creation is now complete. User may proceed with October payroll.